Okay, we're playing hide the body.
Yes. Kill the dude.
Oh!
Okay.
So get
Bro.
shove him in there.
Go. Put him in the thing. Bro.
No, put him in there.
Let's jump on it. Okay. Open. Quick. There.
He's good.
Okay.
Cut. He fell out.
Oh my god.
Look, we're good.
Frank has arrived. Follow him. Wait, can we look? What the heck? Ah, yeah. Bro, this cat keeps fighting me. Go. Oh, he's over here.
You knocked over it. He's stuck.
Where'd he go?
Right inside, blocking. We need a knife, bro.
Three, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20. Woo!
What are you talking about?
Nothing. Anyway.
Let's see if you can get through that. Look upstairs.
Oh! My God. Ready. Hold up. What the heck? Throw! Oh, yes.
I got it.
Dumb. Dummy, dum. Dummy, dum.
I'm stuck.
You're making him look smart, Leon. Don't do that. Whoa!
I'm throwing chain down the stairs.
My cat. Wait, let's see if she meows. Wait, hold up. Meow. Say something. I'm kidding. My cat won't say anything, so... Don't say anything, or else you're dead. You're dead meat. I'm not even doing it. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
We need to block the door.
Let me get out, man. Ready? He won't come for. He won't know the impact. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh no! 1, 2, 3. Bro. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness! Why do I keep missing? 5.
Give me the chair.
Bro. Can't do anything about it, huh? Can't do anything about it, huh? You can't go in. Oh, no, man. Impact! Oh, shoot. How did he get in?
Bro, how?
He can't get out.
You won't get out.
Dum. dum 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 dum.
Little bro.
Dum 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 dum.
Or throw the tray at him.
Bro, you look so dumb with that avatar.
I'm throwing the... Bro, stop!
Stay still.
Throw the soap at him.
Stay still, bro.
Bro!
Stay still, hold on, wait. Bro, I just got a warning for saying... Bro. You didn't say anything, bro. Bro, Chacho. Okay, look. Stay still. Stay still, wait. Bro. Wait. Why are you moving so much?
Because we gotta hide him.
Hide him then. Yes, sir. Or ma'am. Okay. Let's stay still. Wait, stay still. Look, face me.
Bro, stop yelling. Stop yelling.
Release. I got it. No. I got it. You won't know the impact. Release the baby! Bro, that was my...
Put up the stairs.
Lock the doorway.
No, I made it in.
You can't get out now. No. Oh, no. You're not leaving. Anything
How
about
is he
that?
stuck? He looks perfectly fine.
Bro, move. Okay. Wait, let me kill it. Come on, we don't have all day. Bro, let me kill it. Let me kill it.
Oh!
Watch this Ben, follow it. Ooh. I hear you. When I'm back at. Oh, excuse me. We haven't cut that out. Can you see this? Cut that out. Oh, here's a knife. Let's get your butt. Hey! My knife.
But that block him.
Let's just go, Tacho. You move, you're dead meat.
Or throw the table at him.
You're running away? You can't kill him. What are you doing? Why are you running? I got you. Wait, look, you guys not seeing my picture?
He's stuck. No.
He can't get out.
No.